Planning a move to or from Valrico, Florida. Today we'll cover top moving companies in Valrico, average costs, and essential tips to help your move go smoothly. Valrico is home to several reliable moving companies offering local, long distance, and commercial moving services. Look for movers with strong customer reviews, professional packing, and flexible scheduling. Moving costs vary based on distance, home size, and services. Local moves in Valrico usually range from $300 to $1,500 for a 2-3 bedroom home. Long distance moves can cost between $2,000 and $6,000 depending on your destination and moving needs. Most movers in Valrico offer packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, storage options, and commercial relocation services. Portable storage solutions are also popular for those who prefer a DIY approach. Here are key tips for moving in Valrico. Book your movers 4 to 6 weeks ahead. Declutter to reduce moving costs. Label boxes clearly by room and content. Know your neighborhood's HOA moving rules. Confirm all moving details with your company in advance. Customer reviews show Valrico movers are praised for professionalism and careful handling. Many clients note efficient teams and stress-free moves, emphasizing the importance of reading reviews to choose a trusted mover. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your moving stories or questions below. Thanks for watching.